A lot of people don't know, but we do every steering wheel in the world here at Craft Customs, and a motor coach is no different. We do every motor coach, every diesel truck. We do the large steering wheels, the standard steering wheels, and the small steering wheels. So this one is off of a Prevost motor coach, and the factory just came with a plastic rubber steering wheel, and somebody who's going to put that kind of money into a motor coach wants to have some luxury and for it to feel better. So we've added a very nice high-end Porsche leather on this. We use the hand stitch baseball stitching on that, and just a very clean wheel. You can't tell that it didn't come from the factory, because at Craft Customs everything we do is to factory OEM style and specifications and workmanship, and of course all of our work is guaranteed. So you're going to love what you get at Craft Customs. We guarantee it. Share this video, subscribe to all of our different channels, and visit us at craftcustoms.com. Refer your friends, and we'll even pay you a referral fee. So we look forward to working with you.